The European flexible polyurethane foam industry is committed to implementing the highest health and safety standards for its workers. One of the main potential risks for workers is the exposure to diisocyanates, one of the building blocks of PU foam. Workers need to attend regular training sessions on the safe use of chemicals. Training on safe handling of diisocyanates are given in-house and are available on a cross-industry online platform. To minimise the risk linked to airborne chemicals, proper ventilation systems and air monitoring equipment are installed, as well as modern machinery with enclosed production lines. In addition, all workers, where and when appropriate, need to wear personal protective equipment, such as eye protection and chemical-resistant gloves. At each stage of the production process, from the raw material suppliers through to the logistics companies and foam producers, everybody needs to follow strict safety procedures. Whilst diisocyanates are hazardous on their own, once reacted with polyol, the resulting flexible PU foam is a safe product that can be used without concern. Together, we create a safe and secure workplace.